Gautam Adani, who is at the Mahakumbh. This is Gautam Adani there making his way towards Mahakumbh. Do remember that he will be there today. He will also be participating in the Seva. This is the Seva as far as do remember the Adani Group has tied up with the ISKCON officials in order to provide meals. These are free meals to 1 lakh devotees per day. That started from the 13th of January, the Mahakumbh, going all the way till the 26th. So there you can see Gautam Adani there. Just arriving in Prayagraj before he makes his way towards the Mahakumbh. He is going to be participating in the Mahakumbh today. So a lot expected on grounds of that, Mahaprasad that is being served to the devotees on a daily basis. This is, in collaboration with the ISKCON, as well as Gautam Adani there, the Adani Group there, wanting to serve the people there at the Mahakumbh. So Gautam Adani is expected to be participating in the kitchen. He is expected to be serving people as well as perhaps being involved in the cooking of that prasad as well, the Mahaprasad that is being served to the devotees. So Gautam Adani, who has reached Prayagraj, he will be participating in the Mahakumbh. So Gautam Adani there at the Mahakumbh. This is visuals on your screen of Gautam Adani, who has just arrived in Prayagraj, and he will be participating in this is going to be part of the Mahaprasad that Gautam Adani is going to also be participating in when he reaches the Mahakumbh, and from there on he is in fact we are expecting a lot of participation today at the Mahakumbh of Gautam Adani. There you can see visuals on your screen reaching the Mahakumbh. He has just left, he just landed in Prayagraj. So from here, of course, he will be making his way. He will be at the ISKCON Pandal. He will be participating in the Bhandara Seva. From what we are hearing is that he could also perhaps be participating in the cooking of prasad that is served on a daily basis that the Adani Group has tied up with ISKCON in order to serve the devotees who are coming out in large numbers. So 1 lakh devotees are getting that Mahaprasad that is part of the collaboration between the Adani Group and the ISKCON Group in order to serve the devotees that are participating in that holy dip at the Mahakumbh. So the Adani Group, in partnership with ISKCON, there, of course, they have come together to do the Mahaprasad Seva that we offer to the during the entire duration of the Mahakumbh, and 10,000 meals a day were initially being served. But now that the Adani Group has come on, this basically means that 50 lakh devotees will be getting meals, and those are being prepared in 2 different kitchens and outside the Mela area as well. The Mahaprasad will be distributed at 40 places in the Mahakumbh, and that is where Gautam Adani is going to be participating in that Mahaprasad. This is the Bhandara Seva that Gautam Adani is going to be participating in at the Mahakumbh. So these are the Mahaprasad is being distributed at 40 different places in the Mahakumbh. There are 2,500 volunteers as well that are participating in this initiative. So Gautam Adani there making his way towards the Mahakumbh, and he will be participating in the Mahakumbh today. So what all is basically on the agenda when it comes to, of course, he's expected to take a holy dip. This is, part of that spiritual experience. Everyone is there to take that holy dip. So Gautam Adani will be taking part in various spiritual and service-oriented participation there in his, visit to the Mahakumbh. His itinerary, of course, includes offering prayers at the ISKCON camp, and then reclining statue as far as Lord Hanuman is concerned. Also, extensive arrangements are being made by ISKCON for this very special occasion. So Gautam Adani will be actively participating in the community kitchen or the Bhandara at the ISKCON camp. He will be serving meals to devotees as part of his spiritual engagement, and this is going to be in collaboration with ISKCON and Geeta Press that has been tirelessly working in order to facilitate the pilgrims. Now the group has deployed battery operated vehicles also to assist those that are unable to walk around in the area. So massive meal distribution. The Adani Group is distributing that Mahaprasad to over 1 lakh devotees daily. The meals consisting of roti, dal, rice, vegetables and sweets are prepared in that massive, there are 2 kitchens that are preparing those meals. There are 40 different areas where these meals are being served. Ranveer joining us to get us more on this. Ranveer, take us through the details of how long is the distance from the airport to the area where the Mahakumbh is taking place. What all is on the agenda? We do know that Gautam Adani is going to be participating. He's perhaps going to even be involved in the cooking process of that prasad that is being prepared every single day by the Adani Group in collaboration with the ISKCON. Ranveer joining us on the phone line to get us details. Ranveer, take us through what all is going to be happening at the Mahakumbh. Gautam Adani, they're expected to take that holy dip. So Gautam Adani there, who has reached, just left from the airport in Prayagraj, is making his way towards the Mahakumbh. From what we're hearing is that he is going to be participating in the community kitchen. He's going to be serving meals to devotees. This is going to be part of his spiritual engagement. He's also perhaps going to be part of the cooking as far as the itinerary is, as far as Gautam Adani is concerned. He is going to, in fact, also be visiting the Hanuman temple. That is part of his visit to Prayagraj. So right from the airport there, he is heading towards, the ISKCON Pandal. That is where the seva is going to be taking place. He is going to be participating in serving meals to devotees. He's going to be taking a holy dip as well. And from there, we can expect that, we are going to have Gautam Adani take that visit to the Hanuman temple. And from there, we are expecting, in fact, it is a very short visit, all of a few hours, a couple of hours before Gautam Adani heads back to the Prayagraj airport in order to make his way back to Ahmedabad. But we have Ranveer joining us. Ranveer, in this very short and sweet visit, there's a lot lined up, including serving, cooking, taking a holy dip, and basically, serving the devotees there. That is basically part of the agenda.
Obviously, Adani Chairman, Mr. Gautam Adani will be reaching here in Mahakumbh area, and you can see the excitement. These are the people who are taking the Mahaprasad Center at ISKCON. And this is ISKCON camp where you can see a huge number of devotees. And Adani sponsored ISKCON to prepare food for around 150,000 people per day. It means in the entire 45 days, Mahakumbh Mela, there will be food preparation by ISKCON for around 1 lakh.
Adani Group Chairman Gautam Adani there, making his way towards the Mahakumbh. He just arrived in Prayagraj's airport. He is in his car going towards the Mahakumbh, where he will be participating in spiritual activities at the Mahakumbh Mela. He is also scheduled to offer prayers at the Hanuman temple. The ISKCON camp has made extensive preparations for his visit. He will be serving at the community kitchen, where free meals are being distributed to the pilgrims.